Kia Optima, and we're gonna try to turn off the airbag light, and we're gonna do so by resetting the module, the airbag module. Let's look for the OBD port. So the OBD port is right here. All you have to do is just remove this little tab right here. Then let's connect the scanner. So we can see that the airbag light is on. I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm gonna open the ignition. Turn off the AC because it's really loud. I'm gonna come to the scanner, set, go to airbag reset, press enter, auto detect, press OK. Press OK again. We're gonna do this through the OBD port. Let the system look for the part number for the particular module. That's the part number for the module on this vehicle. Yes. Now we found the module and the right connection. Press OK. That's the right connection right there, bench P004. Press OK. And then we're gonna read the DTCs, which are the codes. And you can see right there, the code that he has is the crash recorded in front passenger side airbag. So all the airbags has been replaced, all the repairs has been done. All we have to do now is just delete that crash event from the module. I'm gonna press OK. We're gonna go here where it says erase crash. And there it is. You can see erase crash data successful. We press OK, and you can see that the airbag light is off. So let's turn off the car. Leave it there for a few seconds. Let's turn it back on. And that airbag light is gone. So, and that's how you reset the airbag module on a 2014 Kia Optima.